interpret how we want kasi yung plan was supposed to be for last year kasi it was the upcoming wedding and all that. This year, medyo mahirap na rin kasi madalas ang highlights. So, I think that it's
Ikaw pala yung may team, eh. Bakit sa akin na ito?
like sinabi nga ni Jody, I think it's everybody's dream kasi sinasabi nga nila pag nasa yes, of course, kasi syempre alangan mas new, ilang months pa lang ako doon. So, hindi ako sure kung what the future had in store. Alam naman natin na showbiz is not stable, it's not something that you appreciate. So, well, I found a balance na I can continue with my businesses and still be in showbiz. So, I'm happy where I am right now.
Sinasabi ko ba kayo encourage me to start advice? And I think naman na he's he's a very intense. Alam niya kung ano yung gagawin niya, kung anong diskarte niya gagawin. Pag-uwi po, Sir Jimmy, ano na kayo?
As the people still want me to be here. Kasi marami kami na-encourage, na-inspire, which is something that you don't get to do in other fields. So parang yung satisfaction nila.
Yung story ng inspiration, na-inspire yung mga kababayan natin sa abroad at hindi nagamit nila na parang coping mechanism nila sa pangungulila, sa pangungulila sa Pilipinas. O yung iba naman, may mga sakit na kumbaga nagkakaroon sila ng everyday dahil dun sa napapanood nila sa Bigyan. Those are just some of the stories.
May specific, there was a lady who wrote me kasi her husband passed away. So parang feeling na gusto na sumama, parang she had no more hope left in life. And started watching Be Careful. Bumalik yung zest na. So she wrote me to tell me